Job market shifts are coming in 2026 with non-technical skills key. New skills will be required to succeed in the changing market. The US and UK are leading the shift to non-technical skills. Creativity and empathy are becoming essential skills for professionals. The World Economic Forum reports 50% of workers need reskilling. Non-technical skills will complement advancing AI tools and technology. The top non-technical skills to learn will be explored in this video. Virtual reality training is being used by companies like Walmart. Virtual reality enhances soft skills like communication and customer service. AI-powered language learning tools are also on the rise now. Duolingo and Babbel use AI to personalize language learning experiences. Storytelling in business is essential for building connections and success. 80% of executives believe storytelling is crucial for success. Emotional intelligence is important for receiving promotions at work. Employees with high emotional intelligence are more likely to succeed. Mental health awareness is becoming a priority in the workplace now. The UK's National Health Service has launched a mental health campaign. AI-driven mental health tools like Wobot and Wysa are available now. These tools provide accessible mental health support and reduce stress. Design thinking is being used by companies like IBM and Google. Design thinking fosters creativity and innovation in the workplace. AI-generated art is also becoming more popular and accessible now. AI tools like Deep Dream Generator and Prisma enable non-artists. Escape rooms are trending and improve problem-solving skills and teamwork. Gig economy trends require workers to be adaptable and resilient. The gig economy is expected to grow by 30% soon. AI-driven career coaching tools like CareerShift and Career One-Stop help workers. These tools assist workers in navigating the changing job market now. Mindfulness in the workplace is being incorporated by companies now. Microsoft and Google promote resilience and adaptability through mindfulness. Data storytelling is on the rise and improves decision-making processes. 70% of businesses report improved decision-making with data. AI-driven data analysis tools like Tableau and Power BI are available. These tools make it easier for non-technical professionals to analyze data. The US and UK are leading the charge in data literacy now. Data literacy is a growing priority in the job market now. Non-technical skills like communication are essential for success now. Emotional intelligence and creativity are also highly valued skills now. Adaptability and resilience are necessary for thriving in the market. Data-driven decision-making is critical for business success now. The job market is changing and requires new skills to succeed now. Developing non-technical skills is essential for staying ahead now. Learning these skills will drive human-centered success and growth. It is not just about what you know but how you apply it now. Start learning non-technical skills today and stay ahead now. The future of work requires a new set of skills to succeed now. Non-technical skills will drive success in the changing market now.